Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Colorado, United States. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of CryptocurrencyUSA.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Colorado. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. Now, this is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum and others. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles about coins. Now, we can enter the list of top cryptocurrencies page. In this page, you can get all information about best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, and others. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We can push this info button. In this page, we can get all information about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Just one click. Get BTC button. Let's go.